Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Cody Karpinen here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, come on, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And in this video, I'm going to be covering an in-depth tutorial on how to create video view Facebook ad campaigns. So let's hop into it. So what is the video views objective? Well, the video view objective optimizes to get the most plays out of your video ad. So you can show your ads to the people who are most likely to watch it for at least two continuous seconds or 15 seconds or longer. And if you're wondering about the two choices, I'll have a little more info on the two choices in the next slides. So option 1 is ThroughPlay. Facebook will deliver your ads to help you get the most completed video plays if the video is 15 seconds or shorter. For longer videos, this will optimize for people most likely to play at least 15 seconds. So that's ThroughPlay. Okay, so option 2 is 2-second continuous video views. Facebook will deliver your ads to get the most video views of continuous seconds or more. The most 2-second continuous video views will have at least 50% of the video pixels on screen. So now I'll show you how to create a video view Facebook ads campaign. Okay, so here I am inside of one of my dummy ad accounts. I don't have any active campaigns in this ad account yet, but I'm going to use this ad account to show you how to create a video view Facebook ads campaign. So for the buying type, I'll leave it on auction, and then I'll come over here and click video views. Show people video ads, and then I will come down and name these real quick. So I name the campaign ad set and add all video view EX for example, and I will click on continue. So special ad categories, I'd choose that. I would click that on because in this example campaign setup, we're promoting an auto loan offer. So I'd come down and click on credit because auto loans is in that category. Click that I button above to watch more information on the special ads category and when you have to choose this option. Because if you do run a campaign that's supposed to be in the special ad categories and you don't click this on box, your ad or your campaign will get disapproved and you could get in risk of having your ad account shut down. So you want to comply with Facebook with this new special ad categories option. So once you'd have everything set up how you want it, you would come to the ad set level and you'd go through this and just start selecting what you want. Because the special ad categories box is set up, you won't be able to target any age or gender because that's just one of the rules of the special ad categories, and you couldn't choose men or women. And then the interest would be very limited too, because if we did browse, we couldn't target demographics or behaviors, just interests. And then this is it's a very limited selection of what you can do. So anyways, once you get that all set up for the video views example ad, like we're in the ad section now, it says select a video. So you can do an existing post or you can just upload a video straight up into here. So if I were to do an existing post, I would just come over here and then make sure I have my page. Yes, Best Products 101. Select the post and I would click that one and click on continue. So this would be how it would look if I did the existing post. And one thing to keep in mind, you can come and preview how it would look on different placements. So this is the Facebook news feed. Let's see how Instagram would look. That looks pretty cool. The marketplace, not bad. Facebook video feeds, that looks good. And then Instagram Explore, this is how it looks. So it all pretty much looks the same. Let's see how it look on the stories. So Facebook stories, let's check that out. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Instagram stories, kind of the same thing, a little different. And then Messenger stories. So that looks good. I bet that would actually be a good option to use for story campaigns. And then you can just go through and keep checking them out. So you can do video view objectives for existing posts. But if I wanted to create an ad, I would just come and click here. And then I would just upload a video. And if you remember from previous videos, I showed you how to use Pexels to find good videos to use for your Facebook ad campaigns. You can click that I button up there to watch that video tutorial. I would just come over here and click on add video. And I will upload. I'll come back when it's ready. So you can edit the video from within the Facebook ads campaign. And if I did that, like I could trim it, I could crop it, I could change the thumbnail, automatic thumbnail. So you could do automatic or you could choose your own, and you could even upload a video or an image to use for your thumbnail. And I would recommend spending some time to find a good thumbnail because that does affect your click-through rate. So if I want to do that, that could be a good one. I'd save it. So that would be the updated thumbnail that's the first thing people see when they scroll through their Facebook newsfeed or whatever, and then they see our ad. That thumbnail will be the first thing. It'll be like an image, and then the video will start playing right after. So then the primary text, I could do ready for a newer vehicle. This is like get approved for an auto loan today. Click below to get started. I could do something like that, and then I would just paste in my website URL. It's taking forever. Bear with me, guys. Paste this plain text. And then I would want to add a website URL too, so I'd click that. Maybe if I turn this preview off, it'll speed things up. Alright, add website URL. So I just did get approved today for the headline, and then just gonna add in a little emoji here. So that I don't have to mess around with the description. You can if you want. And then the call to action, I would do apply now. Oh, I guess I'd have to do learn more. I'm not seeing apply now for this. Well, anyways, now I can turn the preview back on and see how it looks. I want to check out the Facebook news feed. Alright, that looks really nice. So yeah, that's how simple it is to create a video view Facebook ads campaign. Remember, you can do it two ways. You can do a video views objective campaign for an existing post, or you can upload your own videos while you're doing your campaign creation process, like I just did here, and I showed you how to do both ways. So yeah, that's it for this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value. Make sure to like this video if you got a lot of value. Comment if you have any questions. I'll try to respond to you ASAP. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.